Welcome to the school library. Here, students can read all kinds of books, educational and entertaining alike. In our library, we divide the books to different categories and topics so it's easier to find them. Over here, we have book references used by the IB, DP, and MYP students.
Action.
We promote language learning through providing English books, and here we have Chinese language and literature books. Over here, we have more references that students use in different subjects. Chemistry, mathematics. This room is filled with different references, as you can see, that sometimes people use either when they need to study for their lessons, or if they have free time, they may also study ahead.